Hello everybody and welcome to Hilti Live. My name is Tom and I'm the Engineering Marketing Manager for MEP in Northern Europe. Today I'm going to show you an application where we are fastening a mechanical solution to a steel-based material. And for this I'm going to use our brand new SBT6, which runs on our Neuron 22-volt platform. And this is the only tool which we are going to use today. So it makes it a really productive and safe installation. Now, the steps I'm going to take, I'm going to start with marking the location of the MEP application. Then I'm going to make the holes using a stepped drill bit. And the good thing here is the stepped drill bit will come together with the studs and the nuts in the package. So you don't have to worry about buying the right size of the drill bit. Next up, we are going to install the studs. I'm using a socket and the stud, so they come together. The next step is to check so that the installation has been performed accordingly using this installation card. And finally, we are going to install the bracket together with the nuts and the socket for the nuts. So, let's now start with marking the position. So, I am marking both holes in the middle of the holes in the bracket. And now I'm going to use the drill bit. Now this tool has a couple of settings which makes it very user-friendly and very easy to use. As on a normal SF you have the settings for the torque, but on this one you can see we also have the additional BT mode, which is developed for the SBT. On this side here on the gearbox you can also see that we have one setting for the actual stud and one setting for drilling. And this is what I will be using now. So I move over to my steel beam. And when I start drill now, I will see that the machine will perform the hole. And when the hole has been completed, the machine will automatically slow down. So I will actually visually see and also hear the drilling. And as you can see here now, the step drill bit creates a little ring around the hole. And this is also a good measuring to see that the hole has been completed in the right way. Let's do the same on the top hole. And there you can see that the machine automatically went down to a lower speed. Now I'm going to use the socket for the actual stud. So I place it here in the chuck. Let's tighten it up. And then simply I place the stud into the magnetic socket. It won't fall out and it will be stuck there. What I need to do now, I will keep the setting in BT here, but I will change into setting mode, so number 1. And then I will go to the location again. Now when I push the button, the machine will start driving the stud into the hole, and it will stop automatically when the torque moment has reached the level. And this is actually programmed through an algorithm in the tool. I will also feel a little bit of a rattle in the tool that tells me that the installation has been completed. So let's go. So there we go. And I will use another one. And there we are. Now, what I want to do, I want to check so that the studs have been installed accordingly. And on this inspection card, there is a color coding saying that when I push this one over the stud, I will see on this line here a green, a yellow, or a red color. And what I want to see is obviously a green color all along the way. So let's have a look. There it goes. And I can see that the color is green all the way across. So this setting has been performed accordingly to the instructions. And as always with Hilti products, you will find the instructions for use in the box of the products as well. So now we can move over to the final step, which is installing the bracket with the pipe rings to the steel. So I fasten my socket, which is for the nuts. And again, the nuts comes together with the studs and the stepped drill bit as well. So we will take this one here and we will put it inside the socket. So. And for this step, what we need to do is, again, you use the same tool, but we are keeping setting number 1. But what we need to do is to turn it to setting number 4. So that will be the correct torque moment for fastening the nut. And then simply we slide over the bracket and we fit the tool. And there we are. The setting has been completed. And let's finalize with the last one. And then the machine stops automatically when the torque moment has been reached. And then the installation has been completed. We have now safely installed a mechanical application on a steel base material. And some of the really good upsides and the benefits of this installation is that even though we have a painted surface, you are installing it outside, you will not damage the paint. This means that the small rubber washer that comes on the stud will form a protective area around the hole which we create. And this will make this one waterproof, so it's actually valid into C3 environment in this hot dip galvanized version. So a very good and productive solution for fastening on steel, indoors and outdoors, for mechanical applications, electrical applications, and so on, what you can find in industry projects and construction projects. Now, if you have any questions that you would like to ask us, you can drop them in the chat. There will be someone monitoring this chat, or if you find out later on that you did not really get the answers you wanted, you can always reach out again, and there will be someone coming back to you. Thank you very much for watching today, and I wish you a good day. Thanks.